Before this video continues, I'd like to take a short moment and proudly thank Octane for sponsoring this video. Octane is a mobile app for fellow car enthusiasts like myself and is available for download at no cost on Android and iOS mobile devices. Octane connects car enthusiasts to nearby community events and provides real-time tracking for all drivers on a cruise. Once you sign in using your Google account, you may also add your car to the garage feature showing a photo banner, thumbnail, and description of mods you currently have. This feature allows you to share your car and mod list with other local car enthusiasts. You may also re-edit this info at any given time and may also add multiple cars to your garage. The event map is the main menu where all users can add their own events, whether they're organizing something small like a casual Friday night car meet or they're organizing a car show with hundreds of cars. In addition, you can RSVP to any event on the map with whatever car you're planning on bringing. For example, the Clean Culture Car Show is about 3 weeks from now, and it's located in Stockton, California, which is about 30 to 40 miles away from where I live. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to mark that I'm going. At the event page, I can also view others that are attending. Octane is an application that I'll continue to use on a daily basis and is one I highly recommend for you all car guys and gals to check out. Connecting with other car enthusiasts and meeting up with them has never been easier since they are now at the touch of a button away. Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning. I'm actually meeting up with the guys from Concept. We're actually on our way to StanceNation in San Mateo. Check out this 18 STI. Definitely on bags. It's pretty sick. What's up, guys? How you doing, bro?
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
Yeah, dude, we saw your car. We're like, nah, that ain't happening, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Thank you, bro. You
That's
too.
tight.
Eddie, nice to meet you.
Back there.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro. Hey, bro, thanks for having me out
Yeah,
here,
yeah,
bro.
no worries.
I really appreciate it,
Yeah,
man.
anytime.
Eddie, nice to meet you. How you doing, bro? You guys already got your coffee?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. It's a money pit, dude.
Like, how much is that? The carbon fiber, like,
Diffuser?
Like for heat shield, yeah.
The diffuser was 1,200.
Fuck.
Yeah.
The whole piece is a diffuser?
The whole, yeah, whole.
That's tight, bro. Oh, fuck.
So nice when you're doing the pulls on the freeway.
Yeah.
I was like, damn.
Like, turn the whiskey light.
Yeah.
I just got it for the noises.
What turbo do you have in here?
Cop 20G.
Oh shit, we have the same turbo. Yeah, I smell that corn too. The entire way I was like, ah.
So good.
So what's your setup on here? You want to tell?
ETS front mount, carbon SF intake, super smart, low valve, Cop 20G,
Okay.
grain speed up pipe, 40mm external wastegate, flex fuel, 1300cc injectors, fuel rails, fuel lines.
Nice.
85 sensor of course.
Yeah.
IAG though.
It's called catalyst downpipe and Tomei.
So man, is it built still stock block?
Stock block.
Hell yeah.
Got
How much is it
out? 400.
400?
Yeah. You could have pushed it more, but I said,
Yeah.
take it easy.
Yeah, you're like, no, that's it, that's it.
I don't want to lose another one.
Yeah.
Huh?
'Cause I blew the motor already.
Oh no.
I blew the motor like what was it? Subie Fest?
On this setup right here?
Nah, I didn't have the front mount or the IAG AOS.
Let's tune that snail performance too.
And man, Travis doing his magic all the time.
Yeah, Travis does a good job, bro. I'm so jealous for those brakes, bro. Oh, you got a Tomei?
Yeah.
Catalyst down pipe, you said, right?
I was down 5, Tomei, yeah.
Nice,
Salt
man.
cutter stuff.
Yeah, let's do the trunk setup, bro. You can see you got the Star Wars there. You got the tank back here, bro.
So nobody's
That's
done
a
it.
good job, bro. Subaru Haven, man. Gram lights. Look at that diffuser. It looks like a Contender 10 diffuser. Both of them. So damn aggressive. You look at that. Got the NVIDIA rear diffuser. You have the white stripes in the back. Got white accents to match the wheels. The Gram lights. Voltex wing. Rear generator. The rain visors. Looking clean. This one you have the Veris front bumper, raise, Veris side skirts. God, these wheels, this wheel setup is crazy. Rear spats, APR wing. Looks like the APR carbon fiber license plate frame, or the license plate bracket, or whatever that is. This right here. Rear diffuser, exhaust, brake light. I approve. Of course, the blah blah. How's it going, bro? Damn, son. What's up, brother? Eddie, nice to meet you, bro. Look at those wheels. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Finally good to see you, bro. Woo, boy.
We're late.
Nah, damn. When you drive this, bro, you can be 3 hours late. You're good. This wide body Subaru is crazy. Charge speed front bumper, wide body. I don't know which wide body this is. T37, the Mark IIs. Carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber front lip with the splitter, fog lights, password JDM battery covers, vents. Damn. Looks like red brides in there. Wide body, canard, splitter, wheels. Definitely one of the meanest looking cars out there, especially for Subarus. Work wheels, wide load. Just look at that fitment. Oh my goodness. Attention to detail is very high with this car. Just like all these other cars. Look, and check out this wide body too. I think we found the Lemonade Squad right here. I think this is Randy's GTR. Pretty cool GTR. Right now we're just wiping down the car, getting ready for the car show. Make sure we have, it was raining yesterday. There's a bunch of just leftover water in the road. Just make sure we get it all wiped off. You know, I got my tire letters coming off. Daily driver life. That. Whatever, it's all good. What wide body kit is this? Orem. Orem? We have Team Concept over here setting up for their booth. RC, you want to say what's up, bro?
What's up?
Okay, so we got these concept shirts. Hey, that's sick. Tough World on the back. It's about to be 9:30. Still setting up, still very early. Look at this interior. This is goals right here. Look at that carbon fiber steering wheel with a match. Shit, carbon fiber everything. JDM STI cap, hair and engine bay dress up, password JDM carbon fiber engine bay pieces, hair and scrub bar. Hear those cams. Nasty Corvette. Lexus. Probably one of my favorite builds out here is my friend Tex WRX. One of my favorite Subarus out here, and even all around. Wide body Veris, Z40s, the Mag Blue, Brembo GTs, Veris all around, E-Derb interior, Veris pillars, fire extinguisher in the back, carbon fiber tank for the airbags, damned wheel, unit doors. Damn. We have another STI, like it's on bags. Look how low it is. I like how we color match the front lip. Nice and simple. NK wheels. He has a tank in the back. Nice trunk setup. I like this. A mint blue STI. Very aggressive, no doubt. Oh, they're roasting him, look. Look at the inside. Brom seats. Looks really nice in white. I like the theme he has going on. Work wheels. Torque Solutions dress-up kit. HKS ball valve. Looks like the Veers front bumper. I could be wrong though. Looks like the Mishimoto or ETS front mount intercooler. Check out this sick Evo 9. Voltex front bumper. JDM goodies. HKS intake. T37s, the bronze. Bright interior, Cusco roll cage. Work bell, quick release. Bright stitching in the back. Flared and molded. I like it. Voltex rear diffuser. Looks like the, I don't know which exhaust that is, but I like this build a lot. You got the shirts representing Repeal 1824 and the backside around. Hey, that's sick. Hell yeah. Thank you. Ian. Perfect. Nice seeing you, man. I'll see you Clean Culture maybe? Yeah?
Alright, I'll see you there for sure.
Sounds good, bro. See you around. Nice to meet you, bro. Hey, put the turn signals on the back. I'll show you guys these turn signals. That's hella dope. Right behind the hatchback. Car meet at the gas station. Voltex, wide body. Blow by. Nah, you're good, you're good. You're good, bro, you're good. I think it's been like over 2 years since I've pumped 91, but there's no 85 around here, so 91 is the only option. There we go. 5 gallons. Let's see how much ethanol's in the system now. It's gonna be like E25. So it's E60. Yep, it's already going down.